another Epicflows Production.
Yeah. Yo, Epic, you know what you a long time, right? Tell me something. A psychology can't study. I can't put a curse on my mind. Me can't stop think about her no matter what me do. Girl try to take me for fool the other day, no dog. Say she want me put on her service for the month. And then me will be the owner. She bring it to me anytime I want service her. But what I come talk about if me plus her, if that I go equal rights. Me say, girl, move and go away from here. Nobody come to me with no Pepsi argument. Me tell the girl, say, me buy a bag juice, me make sure me put it in a cup first. Me say, dog, me get so angry to a level me couldn't even understand me, dog. Me could be have to looking at a mirror, dog, if I'm in here ranking panking. Me say, dog, me the upset body, no, dog. Probably I 2 minutes eat nothing from morning still in and the girl come talk to me about that. Cause dog, from me look a bit and a grow in a dog. Me did not say bad man no more in a dog. And you put up your hand and say yo in a dog. Me did do that in a dog. Me know what you know fi do. What you know fi do. Me know you know. But dog, after that me dog me are good enough. Keisha text me. I'm outside. So me go outside. Dog and I see that me see outside now one short body rider. Her body draw them a print out. She start rub me down. So she say if me think about what she said today. So me say today. Then the girl start sing about bumpa to your forehead. Ask if me no see what she na. But me don't know say any man when you snap. I have to make sure something come out and pack in her dog. Bring her up in my bedroom still, you know. Me no business what she want up and fear mine. But me know what me do. So we did a kiss up and thing and me I encourage her to do 2 letters of the alphabet. You know one thing said dog. I be an agent. And the girl asked me dog if she go get fear turn.
Epicflows Production.
Radical ambition.
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
Yeah.